Hey yo, I did not know arcade had these fire sounds. My days. What is this? I'll try and make it like. Oof. Oof. Ooh. Oh my god. Just try and do something with this sound. So make unique. Going to reverse this part. What I'm looking for right now is a simple key from like maybe Analog Lab or something, just to like create an arpeggiator, just like something really repetitive, and then I'm going to add like a bass line in there and then the drums. I'm thinking about like adding a drill bounce with the hi-hats, but then like the Z808 like knocking on the ones and all that good stuff. So let's just see what we can do. So I kind of like those chords, but I'm going to use another sound for these type of chords, but I like that sound. So we can copy this over and just like arpeggiate it, connect every note, and then we'll do option A to make an arpeggiator. What the hell is this melody, bro? This melody is just super crazy. Like, bro, what are we making? What are we making? Okay, so for the drums, I want to go like like we're in that drill tempo, so might as well do it. This beat is crazy. I say that in every video, but we make crazy beats on the channel, you feel me? Like I can definitely hear like Central Cee on this beat maybe. It's super wavy, the bounce is there, like something different, you feel me? So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below, would appreciate it. I hope this video sparked some inspiration, like just open up FL Studio, create some beats, like just have fun, you feel me? It's been a minute even since I used Arcade, but this tutorial showed you how to make like a Central Cee type of beat using Arcade all from scratch inside of FL Studio. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.